Hi guys, my name's James with Sandy Hook Yachts. Today I'm going to be taking you on a walkthrough of the 2024 Caymas 34 CT or 34 Cat. So Caymas was founded in 2018. It's a relatively new company. It was founded by Earl Bentz. Earl Bentz has a long pedigree in the boat business. He's previously worked for Hydrosport Boats and Triton Fishing Boats. He took all of his experience from those two companies and pulled them into Caymas. They partnered with Michael Peters Hull Designs. So the ride competes with some of the best rides in the industry with the patented double step hull. And this ride is even better, going from a monohull ride to a catamaran ride. In the cockpit of the 34 CT, you'll see that the boat's powered by twin V10 400 Mercuries, awesome power platform, joystick compatible, great running platform to get you on and offshore. In the cockpit here, you'll see awesome fishability. The 1010 beam allows for a ton of space to fish on both sides. You'll see a starboard side dive door to pull in some big fish. You got 2 indoor fish boxes and 2 indoor storage. Center live well here, as well as extra storage on each side of the transom. The back of the leaning post here, you'll see tons of integrated rod storage, rocket launchers here, as well as integrated rod storage into the console itself. They have a back bolster here with tackle storage, then Plano box storage, and this cooler here slides out on a motor to give you an extra jump seat as you're running offshore. At the helm of the 34 CT, you'll see we have twin Garmin displays here, being able to display your charts, your sonars, your radar, whatever you need. Down at the center here, you'll have your Mercury vessel view, displaying all your engine data, fuel economy, RPMs, all that. And we have a really nice wood accent helm pod here, houses the Mercury throttles and your trim tabs. We'll also have this joystick feature equipped with this boat, with also the skyhook feature, allowing you to stay in place as you're setting your lines. JL audio throughout the entire boat. You have 16 speakers on the boat, so you have plenty of sound as you're running offshore. Integrated electric reels by Hooker, integrated switch panels with macerator pumps, and an integrated RGB lighting system. Up on the bow of the 34 Cat, the first thing you'll notice is how the 1010 beam transfers all the way forward. You have so much fishability here. With wide gunnels on either side, you could easily fish 6 to 8 guys on this boat, no problem. And if you're going to cruise, you can fold out each side bench here to have, room for an extra 2 or 3 people to sit down. You have the front lounger here, which underneath is a massive coffin box with rod storage on either side. So if you are going to sit comfortably as you cruise out, this is the spot to do it. Up on the bow here, you'll have a massive casting platform, access to your windlass, and easy access to cleats on both sides. On each side of the 34 Cat on the gunnels, you'll see you have plenty of vertical rod storage to store different variations of rods and reels with tackle. You'll also have on each side 2 insulated and macerated fish boxes to store your caches, and obviously they'll pump overboard. Another unique feature about a catamaran is that this boat will have 2 saddle fuel tanks, totaling just under 440 gallons of fuel. You'll be able to transfer fuel from each side of the boat, filling on both sides, so it doesn't matter which side you pull up to the fuel dock. You'll be able to have one side as reserve, and you can control which side each engine pulls off of. So port can pull off port, and starboard can pull off of starboard, or vice versa. This has been the 34 CT by Caymas. This boat is in the water, ready for sea trials, so if you have any interest in it or want any more information, please reach out to sales@sandyhookyachts.com. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure you follow Sandy Hook Yachts on all social media platforms.